One of the things that I really enjoy about working for SERVPRO South in Northwest Grand Rapids is our crew, our leadership. We are family here. We have a national brand that we carry on our chest and on the sides of our vehicles, but we are local. We work and live right here in West Michigan within the community that we serve. We go to school, we go to church, we go to utilize different businesses together as a community. And the one thing that I really enjoy about working here is our commitment to our community, whether it be members of the local chambers of commerce, our participation in different local events and charities, Rotary Club. We're active in those organizations, and I think it's really important that we are part of our community.